As Pancake Day approaches, you might be looking for a simple, baby-friendly recipe. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make banana pancakes using just 3 ingredients. And not only will your baby find them really yummy, but the whole family is sure to enjoy them too. So let's get started. The 3 ingredients you will need are 1 medium ripe banana, 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Start off by mashing up the banana until it is fairly smooth. Next, you need to whisk your egg well. Add your 3 ingredients to a bowl and mix them all together. Melt a small amount of unsalted butter in your pan. Then spoon the batter into the pan and heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side on a low to medium heat. When they're cooked, they'll be a lovely golden brown colour. Serve the pancakes according to your baby's age. And why not add a little bit of fruit on the side? You could even include some nut butter or yogurt. We hope your little one enjoys their baby pancakes. Happy cooking and see you soon.